home buyers. They move in, they can't answer any questions. What happened when? Who installed those custom cabinets? Who put in the heating system? It makes that first year of ownership really difficult. We're really about sharing value in the form of information that a seller is willing to share and a buyer really wants to receive. You think about the entire journey of a home. The homeowner needs to know things about the home. When we were building a little addition on the house, the builder calls me and says, I need to shingle this roof. I know you probably don't have it, but do you happen to know the shingles that were used on the upper roof so I can match it? And I said, just give me 10 seconds. I was like, wow, that's great. Didn't think you'd have the answer. But that's exactly the type of memory recall information that we're trying to achieve during that ownership. So the maintenance reminders, appliance recall notifications, the having access to all information at my fingertips. Even if I'm at Home Depot or Lowe's, I know immediately what the make and model part number of something I need is. It's there, it's all centralized. I often say, I'm more of a steward of my home than I am the owner of it. I'm not the first owner, I won't be the last owner. I own it for a period of time. And Homebinder to a degree is about memorializing some of that stuff that happens during my ownership journey to help the next person do better. And I care about that. Look, I raised my kids in this home. When I eventually probably say goodbye to it, it's gonna be a bit emotional. And I hope the next person in line can take care of it in a way that I did.